Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this very beautifully packaged eyebrow pencil, and this is from the brand Uoma Beauty. It's the Baby Hair Precision Brow Pencil. And I got this in the shade number 2 in my August 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag X. And that unboxing video is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. But this retails for $22, and I love filling in my brows. It's one of my favorite type of makeup products, and I'm very picky, but this seems like exactly what I like. First of all, love this packaging, but it's very slim. On one end, you've got a spoolie, which to me is essential for a brow pencil. Which, while I have it out, I'm going to go ahead and just brush through my brows. And then on the other end is a twist up, super fine little brow pencil. I want to just do a little swatch and see the color. Oh my gosh, it does make very fine lines, but seems like a nice light brown shade that should be good for me. It's more of a cool tone brown, which I like. And okay, I'm going to jump right in and start filling in one of my brows. My gosh, the lines that I can make with this seriously look like my brow hairs. The size of the tiny little fine line and the shade is like a perfect match for my brow hairs. Wow. Like where I'm very sparse at the front here, I was very easily able to fill that in. And this brow pencil is all about looking natural, and right away it definitely is living up to that. It looks so natural and smooth texture wise in the brows. I don't even feel like I need to brush this through with the spoolie. That is very impressive. This is very easy to work with. Look at that brow. With it versus without it. I can't get over how perfect of a shade this is for me. But wow, that was so precise, and it looks like nothing in the brow. I can't resist my habit of wanting to use the spoolie to brush it through, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. But I love that it's really not necessary. Like, it's like not even making a difference. Wow. I mean, it has really no hold to it, so I'd still use my typical brow gel on top of this pencil. But I was saying I am very picky, but I approve of this. I am loving it. I'm going to go ahead and do the other brow now. See, just these little flicking movements is all it takes, and it's super easy to draw. My only thing is, like, since it is so tiny, I feel like I'm using a lot of the product to fill in my brows. So I'm not sure that this will last me as long as some of my other brow pencils do. But oh my gosh, so quick and easy to fill in and shape my brows. I love this. And see what I was saying about the color, this nice cool tone brown. They just really did such a great job with this shade. And you can use a little bit of a heavier hand to get a darker shade if needed, or you can use a lighter hand to get an even lighter shade. But I love that it leaves no crumbliness, no visible product in the brow. Like, this just looks exactly like natural brow hairs. But clearly it's not natural because I really improved the shape and how full my brows are. But you could never guess that I used a brow pencil to do that. Wow. So I'm very excited about the first product that I'm trying out from my August Ipsy Glam Bag X. So if you have also tried this out, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.